guys, it's Emily here. So I have a Disney unboxing, and I just want to say first, sorry about the camera. My camera, the one I usually use, isn't working, so I had to use a backup camera. But I will show this item up close so you guys can see better. I'm just gonna unbox it real quick for you guys. So yeah, I do know this is my boyfriend ordered it. But yeah, I told him if he could get me this, and I'm very excited to open it. And of course, it has to do with Night Before Christmas. So I'm very excited to open this. So let's open with not scissors. So here it is. Oh my god, I love this. It says His Sally, and it has, oh, this is a nice texture. It has her like outfit design here, and of course, like I said, it says His Sally, and then the back looks like this. And if you can't see, there's a rose right there. I will show you guys up close, like I said, in the sun, so you guys can see better. But it's super cute. I got my camera lens fixed, so now I can show you the hat. This is what it looks like in the sun. It says His Sally, and then this is the cool pattern. Of course, it's her dress. So yeah, it's really cool. And then up top, it's like the same thing now. And then on the back, it has the same pattern. And then it has the tiny rose there, which I love. I love that. So yeah, and then on the inside it says Disney Parks. So it's super cool. I freaking love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. So I forgot to show this, but this is the Disney tag it had on it, and of course it says Disney Parks like it does sit inside the hat. But you could definitely tell this is from Disney World or Disneyland because it says color here, and if you don't know, Disney goes by colors for how much things are. So that's how much it was, the color. But yeah, and then of course this is the price tag. They scan it, but I just think that is so cool because you definitely can tell it came right from the Disney Parks. My other, I got a Zero stuffed animal that I ordered from Disney, the Disney store, and it came from the Disney Parks. It does not have a tag like this. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool that my hat actually did. So yeah, now thank you guys so much for watching.